if you are a business running multiple campaigns, let's say for different product lines, all of them will sit under a Google Ads account. Each campaign is based on a specific objective such as driving sales, generating leads, or increasing website traffic. Okay, so before moving further, if you already have a new Gmail account, you are good to go. But if you don't have, I'll advise you to create a new one and avoid using an old Gmail account for creating a new Google Ads account, specifically for different clients. Using a fresh Gmail ID for creating a Google Ads account is preferable, as most clients do have their Gmail accounts, but in some of the cases, there are few business owners that don't have a Gmail account or they are not aware about the Gmail account at all, right? So do keep this in mind. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at this diagram and understand how a Google Ads account is organized. Imagine it like a hierarchy or a tree structure where each level plays a specific role in creating and managing ads. So at the very top of the structure, there is Google Ads account. So this is the umbrella under which everything else exists. Think of Google Ads account as your central hub for managing all your campaigns, ad groups, and even ads. Like for example, if you are a business running multiple campaigns, let's say for different product lines, all of them will sit under a Google Ads account. You can track performance, adjust budgets, and access reports for all your campaigns here. So next we have campaigns, which are like individual projects or goals. Each campaign is based on a specific objective such as driving sales, generating leads, or increasing website traffic. In the diagram, there are two campaigns, campaign number 1 and campaign number 2. You could use these to organize your ads by marketing goals, product categories, or target audience. Like for example, campaign 1 might focus on selling a new product, whereas campaign 2 could promote your mobile app. So within each campaign, you define important settings like campaign objective, budget, bid strategy, and targeting. Within each campaign, you will find ad groups. Like you can see here, ad group number 1A, ad group number 1B, and same for the campaign 2 as well. These are subsets of your campaign used to organize your ads by a theme, product, or a keyword. Like for example, in campaign number 1, you might have ad group 1A for one product line and ad group 1B for another product line. Similarly, in campaign 2, you might split your ad groups by different services and promotions. So each ad group has its own set of keywords and ads, which ensures your ads are shown to the right audience based on their search intent. Finally, at the most in-depth level, we have keywords and ads. So talking about keywords, these are the search terms or phrases that trigger your ads. For example, if you're selling running shoes, your keyword might include best running shoes or affordable sports shoes. Each ad group will have a unique set of keywords relevant to its theme. And when it comes to ads, these are actual creatives like the text, images, or videos that appear to users. Each ad group can have a multiple variations of ad to test and optimize performance. So in this diagram, the keywords and ads are linked to their specific ad groups, ensuring users searching for a particular keyword see the most relevant ad. So I hope you got a proper understanding of this hierarchical structure that is super important, as it helps you to keep your campaigns, ad groups, and ads neatly arranged. Now let's talk about the ad campaigns objectives and their types. So to go on to the campaign objectives, we'll click on new campaign. After this, it will show you a dashboard like this. It will ask you what's your business name, where should people go after clicking your ad. But we'll not do this, we'll just skip it. And here you can see it is asking for what's your campaign objective. So there are multiple set of objectives that Google already gives you to make your ad campaign tailored to the specific audience that you want to target. So So each objective that you see here is directly related to the specific outcome that advertisers are looking to achieve, whether it's increasing sales, generating new leads, or enhancing brand awareness. So therefore, choosing the right objective is crucial because it guides how Google optimizes your campaign for the best possible result. So now let's understand each objective. So our first objective is sales objective. Now let's say you want to focus on driving sales. You'd select the sales objective, right? Now this is great for e-commerce stores or businesses aiming to increase purchases directly through ads. The next objective is leads objective. So this is for businesses that want to collect information like emails or phone numbers from potential customers. It is perfect for running lead generation campaigns. So next objective is website traffic objective. If your main aim is to get more people to visit your website, the website traffic objective is the way to go. This objective helps direct users straight to your site. Then comes app promotion. So for those with a mobile app, you can choose the app promotion objective. This is fantastic for increasing app downloads and user engagements. After this, we have awareness and consideration objectives. Now, what if you want to make people aware of your brand or consider your product? This is where awareness and consideration objectives comes in. So, for example, if you are running a video campaign on YouTube, this is a great fit. It's ideal for promoting your brand and reaching new audiences. Then comes local shop visits and promotions. So similarly, if you want more local visibility for a grocery store, let's say a saloon, restaurant or hotel, you'd go with the local store promotion option. It helps you to bring customers to your physical location. And last is campaigns without goal guidance. So this is an advanced feature and here's why it is so useful. So when you choose this option, you have a full control over your campaign setting. Unlike the predefined goals, this gives advertisers, especially experienced ones, the flexibility to experiment and optimize every aspect of their campaign. Like for example, if you are an advertiser who knows the platform well, you can mix and match various features and customize your strategy to suit your specific needs. This option is perfect for those who want complete control over their campaigns. Now remember, under these objectives, you will see campaign types such as search, display, video, shopping or app campaigns, and they will vary based on objective you select. Now if I select app promotion, you can see it is specifically showing the campaign type of app, and if I select campaign and awareness, there are three types of campaign types that you can see. One is display, other is video and other is demand generation. For the local shop visits, here is the campaign type that is named as Performance Max. And with the last option, you can have all the campaign types. Like you can run a search campaign, Performance Max, demand generation, display, shopping, video, app. Like all the campaigns you can customize based on your preference. So I hope you got a good idea of what are the different types of Google Ads objectives and the types that are directly related to each one of them. This was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and don't forget to follow us for more insights on digital marketing. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as the source for your marketing knowledge. If you have any questions or ideas, do share them in the comment section below.